Welcome back. It's been a little while since I posted last. September was just a crazy month. I decided what better way to move right into fall than to do a September faves. I've gotten a lot of products here in the last month or so, and I just want to share you some of the ones that I've been really loving. I can't stop using, and I have a couple of random things that are not beauty related, so I'm just going to share those because I got them in September as well and I absolutely love them. I'm going to start with the beauty. I have a couple skincare things that have been really changing the game for me. First is this Dermalogica. Oh, let me just read this. This is the Rapid Reveal Peel. This is a chemical peel. I don't know if there are stronger chemical peels on the market right now, but this is one of them. I got this on the Ulta sale that they had in September, so I got this half off. This originally is $85, I think, so it is pretty steep. So I snagged this up. I'm really trying to work on my skin. I have a lot of texture. I'm hoping that this will work out. I've also been using this in conjunction with it, so from now on I will be using this once a week, and every day that I'm not using this I will be using this. And this is the Ordinary Toning Solution, and it is a similar product. It is going to help gently exfoliate, but in a chemical way, so you're not using harsh physical exfoliator. Sorry, I'm losing all of my words. These two I'm absolutely loving. They're not making my skin really weird. I have pretty sensitive skin and it's working out pretty well so far. Next, I have the Lancôme Comfort Toner for dry skin. And let me tell you, especially since I've been doing like all these chemical things, trying to, you know, better my skin, this has been amazing to kind of just rebalance everything out. These don't necessarily dry my skin out by any means, but this just kind of just brings everything back together, nourishes it, and then you put a moisturizer on top and your skin just feels brand new. I actually already purchased a second one because I noticed I'm now more than halfway done with this and I'm scared to death of running out. So I have a backup already ready to go for whenever I finish this. I cannot say enough good things about this. This is amazing. If you have dry skin, this is a game changer, 100%. Next, I have a couple of foundations. The first one, this is not new by any means. I'm pretty sure this is a holy grail for a lot of people, but this is the Lancôme, the Teint Idole Ultra Wear. I can't say it in the right accent, but if you wear this, if you're into makeup, you've probably heard of this or you've probably tried it. This, like, it just does something to my skin that this isn't necessarily like luxury, I don't think. In my opinion, there are definitely more luxurious foundations, but it's a little bit better than a high end. I've never had a foundation lay on my skin the way this one does, and I don't know what it is about it. It's definitely a medium. What is the word I'm looking for? Oh, medium coverage. Oh my God, my brain. This is definitely a medium coverage. It's buildable. I don't know. It just kind of, it becomes my skin when I blend it out. Like, I don't even know. I'm wearing it today. I'm not having that great of a makeup day. I was trying to do something different, you know, with my eyeshadow and everything. I feel like it just ended up looking really dark, and I'm not used to seeing myself with really dark things on my face. But yeah, I love this. I haven't been using it for that long, maybe 2 weeks or so, but I've been using it almost every single time I put on makeup. And then right before I got the Lancôme one, the one that I was my ride or die for the last like month or two, is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. This is full coverage. This is amazing. I actually kind of want to mix these two together to see what I get, but I'm kind of scared too because I love them so much on their own. But really love both of those great foundations. Next, I'm gonna talk about the ABH Dewy set. This just This is just amazing. Again, if you have dry skin, I don't know, if you have oily skin, maybe something like this would be good for you too. But probably not. I don't know. I don't feel like it makes my skin necessarily dewy. But for someone who has really dry skin and you're really scared of putting like powders or anything like that on your face, if you feel like your face just looks kind of dry, maybe a little cakey, and you just really want everything to kind of melt together, that Dewy set is gonna be your best friend. It's amazing. I just love how it just makes everything look one. It blends everything together. I just like it. Another random one I'm just throwing in here. I've been really loving using these. They're the Ulta brand sponges. They're just really great. I mean, I've not tried a ton of different sponges, but I just thought I'd let you know that these are really soft, especially if you like to use them wet. I don't know why you wouldn't use a sponge wet. I don't know. Maybe that's another dry skin thing, but yeah, these are amazing. I really like them. I'm absolutely not a brush person when it comes to foundation. I just really hate the way foundation goes onto my skin with brushes. So I've been really loving those. Next, let's go ahead and talk about these lip products. Actually, this has just been kind of like my fave for the last few months, I guess. Not necessarily September, but this is the Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick, and I also have their lip gloss. And these were released with the Strawberry Dream collection, and these colors are just amazing. This is just a super neutral toned, it's just, I don't know, it's just a perfect kind of pinky brown, mauve-y, whatever you want to call it. And this gloss pairs perfectly with it. And I honestly, I mean, it's a gloss. I don't know what you expect out of that. But I mean, I wear this gloss all the time by itself. I wear this lipstick by itself. I wear them together. All combinations of these are amazing. And I can't say, again, I can't say enough good things about them. I love them 100%. This is something that I actually tried out many years ago, but kind of just forgot about it. I had been on the hunt for a new liquid eyeliner, and I hate felt tips. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. I love the brush applicators, and I just feel like they're so limited. I stumbled upon this, and I was like, oh, I think I've used this in the past, and I'm so glad I grabbed it again because it is amazing. Actually, I didn't even realize that this is waterproof. I don't know if they have a non-waterproof version, but in the case that they do have a regular version that is not waterproof, get the waterproof one if you're going off my recommendation. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. This is just dark. I wouldn't say it's 100% matte, but it's just dark. It glides on really well. It's really easy to get a nice smooth straight line, wing, whatever you're trying to do. This is really awesome. My go-to for actually years was the Lorac one. I have it, I don't feel like looking for it. The Lorac liquid eyeliner was my go-to for years, but that one wasn't matte. So this one is definitely more matte than that one, but it's good. Next, this is gonna be the last in the makeup category. This is the So Jaded palette from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. This is actually the very first Colourpop eyeshadow, any eyeshadow that I've ever tried. This one just reeled me in, and this palette did it for me. If for some reason you haven't seen this, this is what it looks like. It's based on gemstones and crystals and what have you. I didn't really like it necessarily for that aspect of it, but this whole thing just really spoke to me. I love that it gave me kind of fall vibes. I'm actually wearing this. I went a little too dark today. I kept trying to like get my crease defined and then blending out. It just turned into a mess. So this isn't the best look that I've created with this, but I really do love it nonetheless. It's just great. The formula is amazing. I was honestly shocked at this formula because, I mean, again, this is my first Colourpop eyeshadow palette. Not that I was expecting shitty formula, but for some reason I was expecting something similar to Morphe because Colourpop is very affordable. Now, granted, I think this palette was a little bit on the pricey side. I think it's $38 for 30 shades. So, I mean, that's not necessarily expensive, but for what I kind of expected from Colourpop, I just thought this would be a little bit cheaper for what you're getting, but the quality is there. This is definitely way better than any Morphe eyeshadow I've ever tried. I have not been able to put this down since I received it. I ordered it the day that it launched. Amazing. I just wish that Colourpop's shipping was a little bit better, but again, that's whatever. So yes, love, love, love. If you've been contemplating getting this palette, definitely recommend it, especially if any of those shades speak to you. Do it. Okay, so my last two items are totally random. I just grabbed them kind of last minute because I love them. This is not necessarily just a September favorite, but kind of a fall winter favorite because it is only available in the winter and the fall, and it is the Febreze. That for a while they kept changing like the name of the scent, and I think they have finally stuck with the Fresh Twist Cranberry. This is the most amazing scent. I swear by it. Go to your local Target or Walmart or wherever and find this. But I stock up on these. I honestly always feel like I'm stocked up enough to get through the whole year. That's how much I love it. I love this scent so much. I always buy like an extra 2-pack, you know, when it gets close to the end of like Christmas, and they kind of go away after Christmas. And it never lasts me all the way through. This year, I swore by it. I am getting double, triple, quadruple, double packs to stock up on this because I do not want to run out of it. I love this scent so much. I spray this on myself. And I will tell you, they also have a fabric one, which also smells pretty good, but I think that this smells just a little bit different. I might be crazy. It might be the exact same thing, but I think that this one is even better. I love spraying this on my clothes, especially as kind of like a body spray almost. And I always get so many compliments about how good I smell whenever I'm using this. Go get it. Go get it. It is so awesome. Next is this little cute little fall cup. It's just a regular tumbler. There's nothing special about it. I got it from the Dollar Tree for $1. It's just cute. I saw it when I was in line checking out, getting a couple things, and I got it. I'm not mad that I got it at all. I mean, it's $1. How can you not? I just wanted to throw that in there. I saw it. I just think it's so cute. Can't wait to see if they're gonna have some Christmas ones because I love Christmas. You guys, I'm ready for Christmas. I'm so over. People have been posting and talking about Halloween for all of September. I feel like Halloween should be over by now because I'm sick of it. I digress. With that said, that is it for today. I just wanted to share some of the things that I've been really, really loving this last month. A couple of these things I've loved for much longer than that, but since this is my first favorites video, I just wanted to sprinkle in a couple of my like holy grails. I'll see you next time. Bye.